The magnitude of the third harmonic is of the magnitude of the fundamental. A1, B 0.5, C 0.33, D 0.25. The correct answer is 0.33. The region produces the maximum voltage gain in a single-stage BJT or FET amplifier. A. Low frequency. B. Mid frequency. C. High frequency. D. None of the above. The correct answer is mid frequency. The resistance associated with the 1 MW power level is chosen because it is the characteristic impedance of audio transmission lines. A 100, B 250, C 400, D 600. The correct answer is 600. The Miller effect is meaningful in the amplifier. A. Inverting, B. Non-inverting, C. Inverting non-inverting, D. None of the above. The correct answer is inverting. To fix the frequency boundaries of relatively high gain was chosen to be the gain at the cutoff levels. A 0.5 AV mid, B 0.707 AV mid, C AV low, D 0.5 AV high. The correct answer is 0.707 AV mid. Voltage gains of dB or higher should immediately be recognized as being quite high. A3, B6, C20, D50. The correct answer is 50. The decibel gain of a cascaded system is the of the decibel gains of each stage. A. Sum, B. Difference, C. Product, D. Quotient. The correct answer is sum. The bandwidth in a multistage amplifier compared to an identical single-stage amplifier. A. Increases, B. Decreases, C. Remains the same, D. None of the above. The correct answer is decreases. Is than in a common base configuration. A. Significantly smaller, B. Smaller, C. Significantly greater, D. None of the above. The correct answer is significantly greater. With a BJT amplifier in the high frequency region, the capacitance CB is the of the parasitic capacitance, while CCE is the A. Smallest largest, B. Largest smallest, C. Smallest medium, D. None of the above. The correct answer is largest smallest. In the low frequency region, the low frequency cutoff determined by CSCC or CE will have the greatest impact on the network. A. Highest, B. Average, C. Lowest, D. None of the above. The correct answer is highest. For two identical stages in cascade, the drop-off rate in the high and low frequency regions has increased to per decade. A. 3 dB, B. 6 dB, C. 20 dB, D. 40 dB. The correct answer is 40 dB. A change in frequency by a factor of 2 results in a change in the ratio of the normalized gain. A. 3 dB, B. 6 dB, C. 10 dB, D. 20 dB. The correct answer is 6 dB. If the parasitic capacitors were the only elements to determine the high cutoff frequency, the frequency would be the determining factor. A. Lowest, B. Highest, C. Lowest or highest, D. None of the above. The correct answer is lowest. For the RC-coupled amplifier, the drop in gain at low frequencies is due to the increasing reactance of A. CC, B. CS, C. CE, D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The logarithm of a number than 1 is always A. Greater negative, B. Less positive, C. Less negative, D. None of the above. The correct answer is less negative. D in the Fourier series has the same frequency as the square wave itself. A. Fundamental. B. Third harmonic. C. Fifth harmonic. D. Seventh harmonic. The correct answer is fundamental. In the input RC circuit of a single-stage BJT or FET amplifier, as the frequency, the capacitive reactance and of the input voltage appears across the output terminals. A increases decreases more. B increases decreases less. C increases more. D decreases less. The correct answer is increases decreases more. The configuration displays improved high-frequency characteristics over the configuration. A. Common collector, common emitter. B. Common emitter, common base. C. Common emitter, common collector. D. Common base, common emitter. The correct answer is common base, common emitter. At very high frequencies, the effect of Ci is to the total impedance of the parallel combination of R1, R2, R3 and Ci. A. Increase. B. Maintain. C. Decrease. D. None of the above. The correct answer is decrease. The decibel dB is defined such that decibels bells. A. 110. B. 10.1. C. 11. D. 10.10. The correct answer is 10.1. Logarithms taken to the base are referred to as common logarithms, while logarithms taken to the base are referred to as natural logarithms. A. 10e. B. E10. C. 5e. D. 10.5. The correct answer is 10e. A change in frequency by a factor of 10 results in a change in the ratio of the normalized gain. A. 3 dB. B. 6 dB. C. 10 dB. D. 20 dB. The correct answer is 20 dB. For any inverting amplifier, the impedance capacitance will be by a Miller effect capacitance sensitive to the gain of the amplifier, and the interelectrode capacitance. A. Unaffected. B. Increased. C. Decreased. D. None of the above. The correct answer is decreased. D of the upper cutoff frequencies defines a possible bandwidth for a system. A. Highest maximum. B. Lowest maximum. C. Lowest minimum. D. None of the above. The correct answer is lowest maximum.